What's going on, everybody? Just want to talk about the two trades that I took this morning and why I took those trades. So first one was on Roku and the second one was on AMD. First one, we'll start out with Roku. We had this huge earnings gap up over, obviously over the prior day high. So automatically on watch, had a prior level here at 69.58. So that was a level that was on watch for this morning. As you can see, we definitely spiked up here in the pre-market. So my thought process was I want to go back and test this level with a failure to go lower to make sure that this level is going to stay true for us. Okay. So we open up, we mark our opening print. We opened at 70.86. We spike up and then we spike back down into the 69.58 level, right? But you can see as these wicks are pretty long, telling me that okay, this level is going to stay true. So on the 2-minute chart, we had a failure to go lower right here. 2-minute failure to go lower. Okay, so this was our confidence. We had and it was a switch bar, as I talked about in my last YouTube video. We had a switch bar. So I'm really looking for something that I can quickly get into this trade on off the failure to go lower. Okay, so as soon as we cleared this bar, that's when I took my entry. Obviously, we are below the opening print, right? So I did not go full size here, but this is a perfect entry off the bottom, failure to go lower. So I got in here with about half my position size, waited until we got above the opening print. As soon as we got above the opening print, I filled the rest of my position, looking to go back into that new high of day. So that was really kind of the simple process of this trade. And then it was really hold through high of day. As you can see, we got strength through the high of day. This is where I exited. That first position that I had gotten down here was back at the high of day. We were like, okay, I'm not going to get there, but we're consolidating. So took some trims off there and then really held the rest of my position that I got here when we retested the opening print for this move up into 75. This was the next level that I had. So it was really just kind of a get in and hold. And as you can see on the 2-minute chart, it was really kind of simple. So as soon as we hit the 75 level, I was out. That was a great trade. So, I mean, really just straightforward. Okay. The next one was on AMD. So this one was a little bit tougher, I would say. Huge earnings move yesterday. So I did want to see a little bit of a pullback consolidation before we got some sort of other move. So this one was, again, kind of, you had to be patient for this one. We got the opening print rejection, right? A lot of profit taking going on when people get in, in that 90 region, 85, 90 region where AMD was recently trading 2 days ago. You're going to get a lot of profit taking when people are trading the equity, all right? So that's what happened here at the open. We sold off pretty aggressively, got back above the opening print. So I was like, okay, AMD's definitely trying here, right? And then got another wicked sell-off. I was like, okay, if we sell below the low of day, it's probably going to try to stop some people out, look for people to go short, and then trap a lot of those shorts. And that's exactly what happened here. I did not get in at the bottom here because I was a little bit hesitant after these wicked sell-offs. So I wanted to see something come back above the opening print and really set forth some, hey, I'm above the opening print. I'm here to stay. And this is kind of where we got, that move, right? So we came above the opening print, spiked back into that high day, got rejected, but then stayed above the prior day high. Now, again, using our strategy saying when a bar clears a previous bar's high, you normally get continuation. And that applies to any time frame, right? So the prior day high would have been on the daily time frame where we retested and then got above the prior day high. So I took an entry here, right when we cleared this last bar. I took an entry and really was just trying to scalp this thing into the high of day, which we got. And then I got out off of this basically reject bar. Didn't like how we were coming back up into the high of day. And I took the 110 calls, have a level here at 110. So, but yeah, those are my trade reviews. Pretty straightforward. It was 2 for 2 on the day. Now I'm pretty much just sitting forward and gonna wait. Hope that helps.